Good morning class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So class 6, your chapter number 2 more about Windows. Today we are going to start a new topic, worksheet 5 to work lab activity. So start this topic. Class 6, your chapter number 2 more about Windows and topic Windows version. So today student, we will complete worksheet number 5 to lab time activity. So let's start this topic. In last video we discussed about this topic operating system class 6. The operating system is the main software of a computer. So its job is to operate the computer, manage its resources and provide user a way to work on the computer. An MS Windows is an operating system software developed by the Microsoft Corporation USA. The first version of Windows was introduced in 1985 as Windows 1.0. Since then, many more versions of the Windows software have been released. Some are mentioned below. We discussed the Windows 95 Windows version launched year 1995, Windows 98 launched 1998, Windows XP launched 2001, Windows 7 launched in 2009. Then Windows 8 and 8.1 launched 2012 and 13. After Windows 10 launched in 2015. So all this student, we already discussed this topic in Windows. All this version, the previous version, Windows XP, NX, Windows 95, 98, Windows ME. So all are a part of a previous window in your operating system. Then we discussed the Windows XP topic about that Windows Vista, Windows 7. And we discussed about this arrow features in Windows 7, arrow pick, arrow snap, arrow shake features in Windows 7. So class, let's discuss about the worksheet number 5 in your book. This is your worksheet number 5, students. So answer the following questions, 2 and 3 sentences. Now first question is your, what is the arrow pick feature? So also arrow pick is a feature that is designed to allow us to work on the computer easily when multiple windows are open on the desktop. Taskbar preview is an arrow pick feature in Windows 7. Next, your question was worksheet number 5. What is the use of the hibernate option in the shutdown menu? So the hibernate option in the shutdown menu, when clicked, remembers the current state of the desktop and fully shut down the computer. When we restart the computer, all our programs opened in the previous session are restored back to the desktop, so we can start right from where we left off. The third is your, how can you pin a program to the taskbar? Write in brief. So to pin a program to the taskbar, we first and find program in the all programs menu and then right click on it. After on selecting pin to taskbar option from the shortcut menu, the icon of the program gets pinned to the taskbar. After fourth is, what does lock the taskbar option help you to do? The lock the taskbar option help us to lock the taskbar. When we have locked the taskbar, we cannot change its position on the desktop by mouse clicking. Fifth last question is the worksheet number 5. What is defragmentation? Why is it needed? The process of putting the fragmented pieces of files together is called defragmentation. So it speeds up the computer's performance by making the file storage system more efficient. So student, do worksheet number 5 in your notebook. Next is student lab time activity question. Practical first, copying files onto a pen drive. So first of all, plug the USB flash drive directly into an available USB port. If the pen drive folder does not open automatically, so open Windows Explorer by clicking on its icon on the taskbar. Click on the computer icon in the left pane to display all the storage devices of the computer in the right pane. Fourth point is a double click on the required icon in the right pane. Open the folder containing the files you want to copy. Fifth step is your, select the file Right click on the file you want to copy and then select the copy option or press the Ctrl plus C keys. 6th is click on the pen drive icon in the left pane to display the pen drive windows in the right pane. 7 last step is your right click in an empty area within the window, then select the paste option or press the Ctrl plus V keys. The file will get pasted onto the pen drive. So this is the process of copying file onto a pen drive. So student, just follow it and read it properly steps. Next practical is your student removing the pen drive from the computer. Close all the program and files related to the pen drive. In the notification area on the taskbar will appear. Then the list that appears, select eject removable media option. After a message box will be displayed suggesting that the pen drive can now be safely removed. Last, close the message box and pull out the pen drive. Third practical is your copying files from a pen drive onto the computer. So first of all, insert pen drive into the computer USB port. Then open the Windows Explorer by clicking on its icon from the taskbar. Then click left pane, click on the pen drive removable disk icon. Fourth, select the file that you want to copy to the computer in the right pane. Fifth, right click on the selected file and select the copy option. Sixth step is your left pane. Click on the hard disk drive icon, then of your computer. Right click anywhere in empty area in the right pane and select the paste option. So the copied file will get pasted in your computer hard disk. Fourth last practical is a do as directed below. So is the based of the process of the Microsoft 2010 to the process of the shutdown option to follow. So practice in your system, student, all this practical 1 to practical number 4. Okay students, so your today's homework is revise all this topic and do your worksheet number 5 in your notebook.